Ooh, there might be a spot down here. Stumpy's come so far, and not just in the last day. For the last few months, his life has been on the line. He's experienced a journey that no animal ever wants to have to go through. Yeah, there's a nice little flat spot here. Got Stumpy's name written all over it. But finally, it's led to this point. All right, Stumpy. Considering how many people are doing bad things to your species, it's nice to be part of a group that's doing some good here. It's time for you to head home. Here you go. It's all yours. Have a little look. Take your time, buddy. Take your time. That's just amazing. That's just incredible. These pangolins are united by their really checkered history. They've been in captivity for months at a time, transported for days, wrapped up in nets inside a car. It's time to try to correct this crazy lie. You see the expression change on their face and they realise that they're home. And for me, there's a huge hit of adrenaline and love for the fact that we've been a part of this.